Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our Chevy Venture Mobility Handicap Van. This is a former electric ramp and door. It's now been converted manual. Door slides open, this ramp folds out. The motor is still attached, that way it won't fall out on you and hurt you. When you pull it out, grab it and walk backwards. It's pretty easy to pull out. It is pretty heavy to put back in, being honest with you. Come inside the van, it's got two easy locks. I think the person that had it before used to, either dock here or here. Use the swivel seat. Swivel seat works, but it's not going to do you much good if you don't have the electric ramp and door. So this is all manual. This is a base van. It's not horrible condition. It's not great condition. The price reflects the condition. It's got the leather seats in the rear. They've taken this out, for docking, obviously. Dash has a few small cracks in it. Seat is in fair condition. You gotta remember the age of this van, but overall not a bad van. Runs and drives nice. When you put this ramp back up and you gotta grab it, I'd estimate it takes about 25-30 pounds of pressure to do it. I can do it with one hand, a lot easier to do it too. So if 25-30 pounds of lifting is not in your wheelhouse, this is not the van for you. Tinted windows in the rear. The body's pretty clean. It's actually got really good tires on it. You see the amount of missing center caps there. Again, missing antenna. This is basic transportation. If you're looking for a perfect van, you are looking in the wrong price range, my friend. This is basically a $500 van with a conversion on it that used to cost $20,000. Now, the conversion's obviously not worth $20,000 anymore. They're still valuable to the right person that needs it. And affordable, cheap mobility vans are very hard to find. Inside the van, it's got the power driver's seat. Back and forth still works fine. I'll show you the VIN number here. We always show you the VIN. That way we're doing our due diligence if we really have this van in our possession. Speaking of that VIN number, we do free Carfax reports with all the vehicles on our website. You can see this 2004 Venture has 3 previous owners. Has had minor damage. I'll show you that. 45 service records, so they have serviced the crap out of this thing. You can see Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. Never a total loss. No structural damage. No airbags have never been deployed. Get that off there. Odometer checks out good. No accidents. A minor damage reported. No open recalls. And whoever's had this has just serviced it. So yeah, it's an older vehicle, but it's a very well taken care of older vehicle. Shows in 2017, 4 years ago. Someone minor damage to the rear. The airbags did not go off. No frame damage. So, and still serviced it some more. So very well taken care of older vehicle. Okay, as far as the rest of the interior, very clean for the age. Passenger sliding doors manual here. Show you a little more about the interior, rear vents there. Got an old DVD player or something. I'm not promising that works. This van's got one key with keyless entry. All these power buttons do not work as far as power doors, so they do not work, to confirm. They're manual doors. Gotta turn the van on. You gotta push your easy lock button right there every time you get in. AC actually works pretty good in this van. I like it. 144, 123 on the miles. Does have an airbag light on. We are not going to address that at this price. Driver's side power window works. Passenger one does not. If you want us to fix that at your price, probably needs a window switch or something like that, but we're selling a bare bones mobility van here, trying to keep the price low. Engine idles smooth. Looks good. I don't see any signs of any major leaks or anything. Underneath the van, much of the same. No bent metal from an accident, no major leaks or anything like that. So, no, it's not a perfect van. It's far from a perfect van. But for the age and the price, it's pretty well taken care of. Like I showed on the Carfax, a lot of service. So let me take it out for a spin real quick. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway, give them a test drive so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And you know that whether we arrange affordable shipping in the lower 48 states to you, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence, we've made sure it's road worthy. It does have a few rattles in the suspension. You know, I'm so sure its shock struts are worn. They're getting a little older. At this price, we are not going to replace those. We're not putting a bunch of money into this van. Steering wheel, though, drives nice and straight. It does drive nicely down the highway. No unusual vibration or anything like that. And also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you start factoring in all the hidden fees they have, and next thing you know, that real nice price jumps $1,000, $1,500. You know, and if someone's not going to be honest up front about the price, you know, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding a salvage title? Are they hiding flood damage? Are they hiding mechanical issues? You know, who knows? I can't speak for anyone else, but I just know if someone's not being honest with me right from the get-go, if they're being deceitful, I'm very hesitant to trust them, and I'm way more hesitant to give them my hard-earned money. Look us up online on Google. We have 4.7 out of 5-star reviews. Look at all the good things people are saying about us. On eBay, we have over 800 transactions, and all those transactions are positive. It's over 800 people said we did them right, and 0 people said we did them wrong. I'd say that's a pretty good reputation, not to mention free Carfax reports, detailed videos, and dozens of pictures of all of our vehicles. And this is a old Texas van, been down in Texas, so it's not been in a rust belt. And I'm gonna give it a hard brake at this exit so you can see the braking. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to try one of those big companies, and I want you to tell them you want the owner's cell phone number. See what they say about that. So, nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration, so pretty solid little van. And if you want to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. I think I already said this. I'm losing my mind. This heat is killing me. 316-262-8267. And my cell phone is 316-518-4377. I am sorry if I repeated myself. Our website, see our detailed videos, all of the Carfax reports, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. But probably not going to be able to get financing for this van as the age on it. So just being honest with you, probably going to be a cash deal. So we do take trade-ins. And I just wanted to thank you for checking out our little Chevy Venture here. My name is Jeremiah once again, and as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.